MIDEA is one of the 5 biggest chiller manufacturers in the world. You may know that there are many prestigious buildings or projects that have been served by chillers made by MIDEA. But have you ever wondered how these chillers are actually made? MIDEA has 2 chiller bases located in Chongqing, China and Feltre, Italy. The annual production capacity for the centrifugal chiller is over 2,000 units. A screw chiller is over 6,000 units. Let's travel to MIDEA Chongqing chiller base to get an insight on everything that happens to make chillers.
In 2004, together with Chongqing General Industrial Group Co. Limited, MIDEA established MIDEA Chongqing Chiller Factory. Thus, fully entered the large tonnage central air conditioning. MIDEA Chongqing Chiller Factory has a military industrial background, with more than 50 years experience in R&D and in manufacturing centrifugal chillers. It has carried out technical cooperation with Hitachi in Japan in the 80s and York in the United States in the 90s, integrating the advanced centrifugal technology domestic and international. After the establishment of MIDEA Chongqing Chiller Factory, MIDEA invested a lot of capitals and resources in large tonnage chillers. From technology introduction to independent innovation, MIDEA continues to break through the HVAC industrial technical barriers. In 2013, MIDEA launched ultra-high efficiency 2-stage centrifugal chillers, leading the COP of centrifugal chillers into the 7.0 era. In 2015, MIDEA launched inverter direct drive centrifugal chiller, breaking through the energy efficiency barrier of the small cooling section. In 2016, MIDEA acquired the famous Italian chiller manufacturer Clivit, thus expanded its chiller bases to global. In 2019, MIDEA launched a fully self-developed magnetic centrifugal chillers, breaking the history of core technology monopolized by foreign HVAC manufacturers. So far, MIDEA Chongqing Chiller Factory is one of the largest chiller production bases in China, with about 800 employees. There are 5 workshops covering an area of 200,000 square meters, which mainly produces centrifugal, screw chillers and used as warehouse. MIDEA insists on independent R&D and manufacturing of core components. It masters core technologies and creates cost-effective products for users. This screw compressor features an advanced industrial 3rd generation 526T twin-rotor screw compressor. Its screw rotor has been optimized by GHH Germany and patented in China, Europe, USA, and Japan. With low noise, low vibration, high quality, and high efficiency. Compared to the single-rotor screw compressor, it has no clearance loss, high volumetric efficiency, low operating noise, and fewer wearing parts. The twin-rotor screw compressors increase energy efficiency by 15 to 20% compared to the single-rotor screw compressors. The compressor is equipped with a 3-stage oil separator featuring high separation efficiency, small pressure drop, and a low oil throwing rate. One of the highlights of MIDEA's self-developed inverter direct drive centrifugal compressor and the magnetic centrifugal compressor is the structural design. The 2-stage impeller arranges according to the MIDEA's unique horizontally back-to-back design and is opposed horizontally, which reduces axial force by more than 90% compared to the traditional tandem design. With longer bearing life, better stability, and higher compressor efficiency. With the dual control of operating frequency and the pre-rotation inlet guide vane, it achieves a wider operating range of the compressor. The inverter direct drive centrifugal chiller adopts direct drive technology, eliminating the increasing gear of traditional compressor. With a compact structure and stable operation, it reduces mechanical loss by 4%. No gear high-speed motion, which reduces the noise of chiller 5 to 10 dBA. Meanwhile, the accuracy of the operation frequency control is up to 0.1 Hz, which can precisely manage the refrigerant flow and improve the control accuracy of water temperature. It also combined with the built-in optimization algorithm, keeping the compressor running efficiently. The frequency control of the magnetic centrifugal chiller uses an advanced vector control algorithm and is combined with MIDEA's self-developed permanent magnet synchronous motor. Thus achieves a more efficient speed control, making energy regulation more accurate and operating more efficient. Most of the traditional evaporators are flooded type, with a large refrigerant charge and limited evaporation efficiency. MIDEA's pioneered full-filling film evaporation technology saves about 40% of the refrigerant compared to the traditional flooded type, which makes it advantageous in both energy saving and environmental protection. Refrigerant is sprayed to form a liquid form on the surface of the high-efficiency heat exchanger tube in full-filling film evaporator. The heat transfer efficiency is greatly enhanced by about 30% compared with the traditional full liquid type. This holographic projection shows the application of MIDEA's technical solution for high-efficiency machine room at Tianhe Park Metro Station in Guangzhou, China, which is the largest metro station in Asia and is a transfer station for 3 lines. In this project, MIDEA applied 4 high-efficiency inverter direct drive centrifugal chillers, 4 inverter chilled water pumps, 4 inverter cooling water pumps, and 4 cooling towers, and modular AHUs, FCUs with big temperature difference and low resistance. MIDEA HVAC engineers also optimized all the water pipeline connections to reduce pipeline resistance by increasing pipe diameters and using low-resistance valve components. The project uses MIDEA BMS for all-round intelligent management of the chillers and terminals, as well as the control system. This project has raised the energy efficiency level of China's rail transportation environmental monitoring system to an unprecedented new level, significantly improved the whole life cycle operation efficiency, and driving the technical progress of the whole industry, with a comprehensive energy efficiency of over 6.0 throughout the year.
MIDEA has more than 50 years of experience in developing and manufacturing centrifugal chillers. In 2021, there will be more than 1,000 centrifugal chillers produced by MIDEA to provide comfortable environments for different projects around the world. These large units are shipped all over the world, so they are carefully created, shrink-wrapped, and labeled. Every unit that leaves this factory floor is proudly labeled with the words, "Made in MIDEA Chongqing Chiller Factory."